is Fentanyl Awareness Day, and a local treatment center is trying to educate people about fentanyl, the dangers of it, and what resources they have to help. News 19's Sam Perez explains how the facility is connecting with the community.
I don't think a lot of people know just how prevalent it is.
Sarah Campbell is the executive director of Sumter Behavioral Health Services and is working to educate her community about the dangers of fentanyl.
It is everywhere. Whether we want to believe it or not, it is here in Sumter. It is being taken intentionally, and it is in a lot of other substances.
With opioid overdoses impacting people more and more each day, says peer support specialist Sean O'Connor.
We're seeing the numbers increase, more and more every day. It's almost weekly. I'm hearing about somebody personally that I know that's passed away or has.
O'Connor is in recovery from substance use disorder and now works to help others with their sobriety.
It's education. It's letting people know what to do, where to go. If somebody needs help, the places that they can receive the help.
No one is fighting this alone. We definitely want to make sure that people know that.
With community partners like Lance Newman showing support.
There's a problem that we need to address.
Newman is the executive director of Hidden Wounds, a combat veteran support group. He showed up, along with his service dog Flash, to help spread awareness and education alongside Sumter Behavioral Health.
By them getting out in the public, we need not to turn away from it. Just like a lot of our veterans that live in the dark, we want to be able to help those with issues.
I think the more that people know, maybe the more that we can cut down on some of the accidental overdose and some of the other opioid misuse that's going on in our community.
For Street Squad Sumter, Sam Perez, News 19 WLTX.
The center provides both inpatient and outpatient treatment with substance use disorders and behavioral health concerns.
We reached out to DHEC for fentanyl statistics for last year, but those numbers are still being finalized and will be available sometime next month. So as of 2021, the most recent statistics, those statistics show there was an increase of deaths involving drug overdoses. There was a total number of 1,734 deaths, which jumped 25%, resulting in 2,168 deaths. Fentanyl would become largely responsible for that increase in deaths. As of 2021, there would be an increase of 35% in the death rate, jumping from 1,100 to 1,494, with fentanyl being involved in more than 2/3 of all opioid overdose deaths. And just like any other opioid, fentanyl has some side effects to look out for. Life-threatening breathing problems, drowsiness, nausea, cramps, constipation or diarrhea, weakness, fatigue, or headache. You may also notice someone suffering from a fentanyl overdose having slurred speech and balance issues. With supplies replenished, DHEC is offering free overdose safety kits at health departments across the state. Each kit has 2 doses of Narcan, 5 fentanyl test strips, and guidance for how to identify an opioid overdose. They will be available in health departments in all 46 counties in the state. DHEC says the kits will be crucial to battling the epidemic, especially in rural areas.